Here, I'm here with my brother, Biafra Exodus TV.
I tell you.
So we are here to do the needful, to expose lies, and to promote our heritage, where we come from. All of us know what we are going through. We know what we need and the challenges that we are facing at the moment. So before we go into the program, I would like to encourage you to like the video and subscribe to our channel. The reason why I put this our brother's channel's name here for you to go and subscribe to him. Okay, and I post his channel on this platform. Some of you have joined, have subscribed. We appreciate, and we want more of you people to do the same thing as well. Subscribe to his platform. Every Monday we'll be on his platform to discuss. So today, Wednesday, he will be here. There are two Wednesday, yes. Every Wednesday he will be here with us, of course, to do the needful. So let us start. And yesterday we noticed that after the meeting, the bill that was passed by the Biafran government under the leadership of CS Ngozi Oraveze, and some people kicked against it, and that have thrown door open for so those people, those are our brothers who fell to unite and do the needful. And we have talked about it. I have done a program on that in our second platform. But here, I would like to hear from my brother. So let him just I will give mic to him to tell me what he thinks about that bill. So like the video and comment, of course, very, very important, because I'll be going through comment to know your own opinion on that. Are you in support or are you against? My brother, welcome.
Thank you so much, Mazika Reports. Onye nta akụkọ one of Biafra land. Idobodo Igbo. I salute you, my great brother. You're doing a great job, and we are proud of you. We are proud of you. We pray for more strength for you and more wisdom for you. And greetings, Biafrans all over the world. Umu Chineke, Umu Ife. Ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma. Unu ga-adị ka echi a na-agwụ agwụ. Udo na ganuru ga-awụ our portion. So without wasting time, my brother, to answer your question, I am very, very happy. I'm very, very happy yesterday by the bill, by our DPM, our Iron Lady, our lovely Iron Lady, DPM, Dr. Ngozi Oraveze. I'm very, very impressed. From my spirit to my toes, I am 100% in support of that bill pass. Because our people have been killed, our people have been able our people so much. They have buyed our people so much. Right from 1960, they have been buying us. And and our people, we are the people that we don't believe in violence. We hate violence. We don't believe in buying people. We like to live in peace. We like to live in unity. We like to build our progressive nation with one mind and with one spirit. But the way these people are buying us is really, really alarming. What is happening now in Biafran land is actually genocide. It's actually genocide. And we are not going to fold our hands. We are not going to fold our hands and these people will be killing us just like that. We must do something. And we have the right, we, the people, have the right to defend ourselves at any given time. If you check out now, you can know that our new government, they are trying their best to build a new army. And the army that we have at hand right now, they cannot be everywhere and at the same time. So it is our responsibility, it is our duty to inform our youth at home, to make sure that we inform our youth at home, for them to guide our communities, for them to guide our women, for them to guide our boys, for them to guide our children, for them to guide all those old women and old men in our village that they cannot help themselves. And I came to learn that maybe some of us are complaining. Some people are complaining, say, how are we going to pass this bill? And where is are they going to defend themselves with ordinary hands? And where is the money to fund them? No, no, no. It does not actually mean that you have money. It does not actually mean that you must have the gun for you to defend yourself. You can defend yourself with anything. Half bread is better than none. It's better that you have stone, catapult, anything that you can find. Anything, ogo, anything that you can feel while you are sleeping, you have something at hand, defending, sleeping with one eye open and one eyes closed, because the enemy have surrounded us. It is very, very important. So I am very, very 100% in support of that bill for now. So thank you, my brother, as we proceed.
Let me welcome some of our brothers here. Kingsley, I see your comment, and by James, welcome, of course, Freeman, Iko Toye, Odogoge. I see you. I know I'm only gonna gather the man. I think they watch.
Freeman,
Okay,
otu onye, ndewo.
give my brother. Take him. Please, if you are here and you have not liked the video, you are not doing us any good. Click on the like button and comment so that we know that you are here with us at this point in time. So, like what you said, my brother, imana ife mmadụ na-amaghọ karịrị ya. Some of the things you could about ife ekwugo m ya before and m ekwukwe ya again. Mmadụ ichekwaba owu ya na-agwa gị guzo chee ndụ gị nche, asọ gị gaa zuo oshi, ekwe na nghọta. And many of us emeghị already, like always some villages ekwubume na oge live broadcast maybe before. There were a lot of people already, like some villages now, imam all 7 no movement in our that kind of thing. And steady. So ọ that na-agwa gị ga goro egbe ka ị ga zuo oshi ma ka ị ga napụ mmadụ ife n'ike. Like ọ dị ka ife ikwu na ọ bụghị iwu na izi iwe egbe, yes, mana ọ na-aka mma ejikọ aka ọnụ, kọmuniti ọbụla jikọ aka ọnụ fọmụọ ịna-aghọta, protect ebe ha ndị befa na-akọ ugbo, ebe unu na-akọ ugbo kwa na-abata ebe afọ ụmụ youth a na-aga. Ọ bụgodị unu ga na onwe ndị some villages ji decide ime ya volunteer, like volunteer, ịna-aghọta, a na-akwụta ewodo onye na-akwụ ụgwọ ọbụla na ọjọs na ndị abụọ ndị na-echekwa obodo ya na igwe na ndị befa adị na mma. Ọnọta onye metu n'oge were ife ihe ụmụazụ na-ekwe nna unu jide nke ọ bụrụ na esiti ga-esi esiga ndị na-ama ya wọ mmanya achọtara ha something from the community. So nwere ike ịdị compensate youth with ihe dị ka ana ma ya bụ na ha na-echebe fa nche, because ị na-eme na ihe ka ịrụ sọkọla ana dị na bụ onwe ndị community wara nwe ndị na-ewere ana, mana youth nọ n'ụlọ n'ụwa anyị n'ụlọ biri n'ụlọ na-azụ ụmụaka ha n'ụlọ bụ ndị ga na-eche ị ga-asịkịta na ndị aka anyị tụkwasịrị obi. So n'ike pụgodola apụ, ọ bụrụ na ịnọ na mebi nọ na taa n'ebe ọkụ na-ewu n'elu ka esi ekwe na be anyị, unu ga na-ewereta ife ụnụ na-asọpọtụ youth nọ n'ụlọ. Ọ ya bụ iche nche a na-ekwu okwu, ọ bụghị gị ga-agwụrụ egbe sọsọ bụ chekwebe the whole village, mba, kọmuniti ga-ejikọta ka kpaa na ene oke ịchọgoro ime na nna iwe okwuzi ego nke egbe ịgagola siri dọsa odogo ga dat na were bi gbaga na ọha gị na kama a ga-egbu gị aha ofu na mmadụ ebe a ga-ekpu isi echi ha gazie ka ha gbuo nebo ka ha chụgwa ebe ọzọ agaga ha na-aga-ebi anya n'azụ na onye ma nka ndị a siri kwado. Ekwugo m ya, some of ndị Fulani a ife ha na-eme bụ na before ha bata na village ha na-ese ndikwe anya ha na-emepe anya ọfụma, gbaa tọọchị gbara ka obodo si ego nọrọ before ha bata. O nwere some community m ga-akpọchara gị afa mana makpụ ya ebe a bụ na owere ka ndị Fulani bịa ebe ahụ ncha ncha, like be gọvanọ Enugu steeti Peter Mba, ị na-aghọta village ya kemgbe sef ịma nnọgide fụ na ndị Fulani ga-aga gbuo mmadụ mee ifi na be ha kapụkwa ime ọhịa before bụ gọvanọ ndị na-ekwuzi okwu na odozo na be ya before sef. Then you ga na some places na Anambra the same thing. O nwere some ị na-anakịta na o nwere ndị na-achọ dị ịma ife gọọmenti na-ekwu, ha waji aka fa wee guzoro security na befa many ọ bụghị one community. Ị ga na Anambra ọka ị ga na Enugu ọ dị ya ifugo. So and that sure not go down na some places other places, mana ife a na-ekwu okwu ebe ụjọ na-atụ ndị mmadụ bụ na how many community ga-emewe ife dị ọna like kedu community kwenyere ka ha kpọpụta youth fa mee dị ihe dị ụta nke bụ na ị ga-ala lụrụ ụmụazụ a na-echenji ibugodo apụ edugosha na bụ unu na udo na-achị na onwere ife na-eme dịka bụkọta afụgo m ka ndị nke na-amachari na ha bụ gọọmenti na ịbụ nka na iji nka jide nke ọzọ ọ dịkwa mma okwukwe bụ ihe mmụọ Chukwu ji eme ọgụ na nghọta ọ bụrụ na ị kwenyere bara gị uru ka ị na-ekwu ya dat na onwere ife na-eme na ọgụ a bụ ekwusi ọgụ nọ na nwoke ọ dị mma mana ife ị ga-amatakwa amata bụ na bifo echiwa ga na-anọ tupu polisi abịa bikos a na-eche ka a ga-ejiwe fọmụcha amị fọmụcha nka mmadụ ndị ga-afọzi ọya ka eji maka ekwu ife a na-ekwu andị maka ndị na-ama jigijigi ogene na-ekwu nwaanyị ga-eji nwaanyị na-ekwu ncha ọ sị ya ga-were ma na-atụchara ihe ego ọ chọrọ ikwu ikpogọtata amị na ọ chọrọ igote ife eji anụ ọgụ ọ chọrọ ime nke ame nke ọzọ ekwugide mma mana ife ị ga-agwatakwana bụ na PM okwu na one day tichi ike bido kwuo okwu amị o wepụta taim so ya n'usoro ọ na-aga na bifo amị ahụ ewu adịwa ka otu osu dị mana unu a na-ekwu nwaanyị ga-eji ekwu na ha ọ jọrọ njọ na ị ga-akpọta ndị amị nkịta tara nke echi na COS na-atụcha nara ego na chọrọ ịkpọtara ndị amị ichefuo na ọ na ihe a niile unu ji nkaramanya wee zọchara ụmụ ihe webụsaịtị and other thing na ndị anapụcha kechikọrọ everywhere dozi n'akụkụ ichefuo na nwayọ nwayọ ka ga-eji werụkwa dozikwa edozi again ọ bụghị ife ị ga-eme n'ike n'ike ọ bụgwa bụ yut ịchọgoro ivolonte onwe gị ga-etiri isi n'efi na-adịghọchọ a lot of controversy ịgbape ihe nke a na-ekwu ndị a na-ajụkwa ka ebe ndị amị ngozi nọ ka ebe ndị amị ngozi nọ bifo ha bata na soshal midia ha na-ekwu gaa jọnụkwa na ngozi gaa jọnụkwa na ngozi tata kezizi ebe ndị ngozi so ego ị na-ekwu mmadụ gaa jọnụkwa na ngozi kịta zi na-ajụzi kezizi ebe ndị ngozi ndị ebe men ngozi nọ ebe ka o dosara ego oke ị na-ajụzi ekwu maka ego atụrụ ngozi mana ekwu okwu kezizi ego atụrụ oge nkere for years na isi na-ekwu nche nwaanyị ga-eji ekwu udo okwu ahụ mana just 2 months iji na ego atụrụ ngozi ife ọ hypocrite ịchọ idres like ọ bụrụ na ị chọghị ka mmadụ dres maka ego na ị chọghị ka den ajụkwa na ọ bụ tata na ọ dabara na nke n'aka ngozi ịchọna ka ajụọ den oge nke uru ji sinzi achọgoro ka ajụọ nneze na anyị chọrọ ekwekọrịta na nkịta na ọ dị n'ijres onye ka suppose ịbụ ụzọ wee jụ nke ya ọkwa nke oge nkere mana unu kwechiche na-ekwu okwu na amanwụ bụ ọka ịfụ nne gị na-egechi ife ndị a na-ekwu sometimes ọ na-agụ m ike ị gakwa na their platform ị na-afụ dat na ha na-ekwu okwu nwaanyị ga-eji gwa ndị mmadụ ha ga-agoro egbe gaa mee nke mee nke ọzọ oke so ya chụkwado nke ahụ mana ị nọ na platform gị na-epule voice T.Y. Danjuma ebe ọ na-agwa ndị na amị na ndị polisi they are colluded na ha koludgo with ndị bandit yes na general kwuru general ọ ife ikwuche before na-ekwuzi the same thing nketa ọ bụla ọ pụta n'okwu gịnị ka T.Y. Danjuma kwuru that don't wait for police or army that if you are waiting they will going to buy you one by one that video is on internet arọpọkwa general na n'ọnụ nke a bụ general anụgolo ọgwụ ịma na isi na ị na-ekwu na T.Y. Danjuma ewere ife na just political general ụkwachi gakwa gụọ history onye gburu agụ ilo nsi the man so ya plot all the man be ihe instigate the ọwụ ya agụ ilo nsi that man bụ T.Y. Danjuma na-afụta ndị a bụ ndị site plan ka eji wee nụta Biafra ọgụ that man ị na-afụ na then ọ bụkwa je na ndị ugwu na national certificate ya kịta na-anụrụ ụgwọ ọbụla onye nke anụrụ ọgụ and ị na-aghọta ọ nụrụ ọgụ na ya gwa na owu ya pụta na kwuo na ọ bụ dat na unu gbati ndị a nkịtị ọ na-agwa ndị pepa n'ụlọ gbati gị na a ga-egbuchi unu one by one defend yourself don't wait for security agent ọkwuo ndị aka ji Naijiria na-agwa ndị pepa udo okwu a ọ bụzi egwu a na-ekwu okwu nwere owe asị gị na imenweta nwere owe a ma n'ugwu mana na asị gị ma na-emenwu ya na nsa gị ọgụ makwa na iche na ndị ugwu a ndị isi a na-anọgide na bụrụ ogbunigwe kelu ugwu achịbe ha ga-egbu owe fa wete ndị mmadụ ejighị ha ya omeme ya ọnọdụ na nghọta butere that kind of thing. Ekwuo okwu maka that thing, anyị kwuo okwu a na ọ ga-agafe a. Mana ife m chọrọ ikwu bụ that na before you kwuo okwu chee ya eche, mata na onwere onye na-emeri ya ahụ, ya not doing it for anybody. Some of these people that are kicking against it, you know, if you go to their village is very, very vulnerable of any attack. Even ụmụ nwaanyị Fulani sef ga-echesu some of your villages away. Ụmụ nwaanyị Fulani can chase some of your kinsmen away because you are not even doing anything in your own village. Mana ị ga-ịpụta na internet ka imegide Ngozi ka imegide ndị ọtọ pilot akọndụ DS ka imegide Simon Ekpa, ị na-ekwu o setie amafụta gị and nobody will see you. Nobody will see you. And for me to before I move to another thing, I would like to look for, let me see if I can get it faster. A post from, because all Kokwa would have the post and I would have, how can we say it again before? Post to this guy called Emeka Gift. After watching what happened in Imo State, how they dragged the corpse of that Ozu, that guy in a machine here. Yeah, anybody at this present age, onye ọbụla ịfụ ka na-ata against video to Donald Trump. Somebody if you go Biafra, na mmadụ ka we hear you. And Keta can decide that the only thing oge nobody you with the post video na-ata against to Donald Trump. Emmanuel have one of your problem. And I will tell you why. Anybody can believe you. Ita age video. Like esi ndị mmadụ to French president, American president, Igbo that doesn't matter matter what. Isi adọghị mma. Because if you are just mocking yourself. Onye me if you try something today and try it tomorrow, you keep on doing the same thing over and over again. It simply means that you are not helping yourself. Because onye my friend will make, he made the first one, the second one. The good guy na n'ife a na-eme na gain anọghị ya ka m try ife ọzọ. Iche na PM amaghị tag world leaders. Ị ga-atag tag Romans na mmadụ ka emegidegwo ma compound mana file ma plate deche okwu anything. So anybody na say they don't defend it. What some of them want is to see a lot of people being by so that you prove to their, or you prove their point, like what they want to, because they believe that the more they buy people, the more you join the Ogengere. You know what are the point? So most of them telling you don't know because I have seen a picture, which I think I sent that picture to you, my brother, where they changed where they gave the Photoshop COS and gave her AK-47 in her hands. Chiamaka used that as from one of his thumbnails today. I'm on me for the video, for that picture. Okay, continue.
Ima, you've said a lot, and all you said is you make a very great sense in what you said, and what you said is truth. A lot of things is going on in our land. Onwe point in chori make qua here. You watch here naga in our land kita now. You can discover that now. One of the major problems in our land about this insecurity and about this massacring of our people is from our politicians. Our Southeast politicians. Mana these people naga agba kiti kata kata. Naga agbaga na Fulani. Just naga agbaga na Fulani ka eme ha governor, ka eme ha local government chairman, ka eme ha chief, and all those things. Ha ga ewi kewe ndị Fulani ewere ya mụsụkasịcha ha ike. Then they send her back to East, send her back to Igbo land. Si ha ga gbuwezi ụmụnne ha. Kema na ihe na-eme. Si ha ga gbuwezie ụmụnne ha in other way around for them to fulfill the vision of the mandate of Usman Danfodio. One, a lot of things they men are buying, a lot of people. Yeah, plan is a plan and a plan. And they both need to tell me that now all Munai can they use we are not committed genocide one way or the other. You have to go. Then Agaga Urega Mamas Washicha Hike. Some of them may pampas. Otene Lana Kita now, Governor Mba, no now one. otu ike ya nọ na ike ya eghe ịgala anya ma hope ụzọ dị mma ike ha eche oye most of them anya na-aga aga dị na some of them ndị Fulani emebichicha na ha ike and Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru about this thing before many years ago and mobile ife mechara that na abịa send kwa ha back to east si aga gbuwe ụmụnne. Could you imagine that na ndị egbuchara na Ebonyi State? Do you know that the governor of Ebonyi State said that they should not fight back? Okay, that way. Nke Enugu governor said they should not fight back after gara gbuchi ụmụnne gị. When here government to put about it, when they said they should not fight back.
You know, just to comment on what you just said, don't fight back. You remember, I keep on hammering on this personal interest, personal, individual gain. What are we gain? These people, most of them, sacrifice human being to be a politician at all, to gain power in the name of protection. That is not the fact. Then, for them to remain relevant in Nigerian politics, you have to do what others, what their predecessors normally do, which is to go to north and wash plate. Do Babi there. Some of them are they gave bandage in this is photo. Abata. Any governor that we some of them claim they are men, they are strong and all that when they see your people, their own people. Any of them that dare to challenge Fulani invaders in any of the states, you have to give up your second term. Are you getting it? And none of them is willing to do that. Not only second term, your political career will be over. And you don't have any of them that is willing. Even if, for example, now, in any of the states, God forbid, if they buy more than half of the people in the state, they will still be telling you don't do anything. And why it is so, I blame our people, not even them. Because if you see somebody from Igbo land as a governor, not even governor, let me not even go far as governor. Look at someone like Bianco. Somebody who is not even a political system of Nigeria, like the ordinary person. Nothing will happen.
One a minute, which means all not like this now, which means this genocide there for an emen apose. Ever won by idea. Yoga Burumunne just to please the Fulani.
The genocide in a book here, no do be to ka ọ dị bụ ihe ifla a na-emeche like Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na IPOB Samuel autopilot. That's the only thing. If I build agenda edose na 2015 after Buhari ọkwe na nwata na prolong biri na ọdụ na ọ dị kịta abụ this tisi ifla na-eme ọ dị ka only for na amịta. Because for some people, every time you guys are saying Biafra, you don't know that Biafra they're talking about is what is keeping you to even travel back to your village. Because the agenda, the problem of Fulani is Igbo people. From time immemorial, it's not just start today. The problem of in our conquest, Fulanization, all this. Now they not now put na radio before may happen on Makandi. Igbos are the one holding Nigeria together. And why they are holding Nigeria together, they are holding their freedom down. Starting from the time of Zik. Who can achieve within Nigeria as independent? Zik is ka onye ọbụla na na Zik esi mba na-achọ ka united country ka ebe ọ na-agba out of sympathy for stupidity. Now, ebe land is a matter. Today, if you want to ask Igbo man who is doing fish business somewhere in the north, ya mechie shop ya ka ọ na-anakwa na a na-achọ igbe na ọ sị gị na good quality na ọnụ maka iji obi ebe a wepụ. Nnamdi Kanu, there was a question they asked him that don't you think that this thing you are doing now is you are putting the life of Igbos in the north in danger? What did he say? He said no, that is those that are living in the north are putting the life of our people in danger, which is true. Because the same thing with the government, because of your second and 4 years slavery, 8 years slavery, Igbo Makabu, you to everything, as long as the family. There were attack villages. How old is the governor of Ebonyi State? How old is him? But on from his predecessor, Omai, Guinea Omai man, Wuputego State is now one of the biggest mosques in Africa, in Ebonyi State, just to make Fulani feel that this state can be handed over to them. You understand? For him to become when he was still not the Igbo presidency. By the time that one, often Naga, or representing was a vice president. Often has despite the Igbo many people have village in Abuno. Often or Oshat was a Senate president. Finally, Orlando ended up na Minister of War, Minister of there was this transportation of wars. I don't even know KJ Bianca, who couldn't even Bianca did not do anything, did not buy anybody. But for Bianca to do this dirty job, to communicate with Finland as a wife of ex Biafran leader, can the Finland against it? Because of it will that kind of post again other Igbo man to go and talk to Finnish government. They may not listen to you. But as wife of Ojukwu, which is the Biafra is the history of Finland, they know a lot about Finland. Ogazeba present to as wife of the leader. That Queen Anamaka Biafran was say yes. No, you have the man. That she can tell you first-hand class information that never in regret. Now today, self, if I go wiki but in Finland, I don't make them gene telephone, but now what if wiki. Na ya ma mkpali ya na family na another because of na ya attempt to get Biafra. Na na chọkwa repeat the same thing. You know that kind of thing. I say okay. Ọ bụ gwa bụ Finland, ị ga-eche twice. Ị ga-asị okay na ka ekwenye gbasara ị ga-ebuzo ọgwụ ị ga-ebidozi Igbo ọgwụ ọgwụ n'isi. Ịma mbụ na ọgwụ n'isi na ijidere Igbo ọgwụ ịma mbụ ọgwụ n'isi. Na anazi azụ wee yezie ezi ife ha na-ede. Because to them, onye bụ high profile person from this region. Ewereze kịta na na-egbu mmadụ Enugu Bianca reason press enweghị na press release atọ. Zero. Ọmamegwu ya bụ mechi o. Ị na-aghọta the point. Then ịfụzi ndị be anyị agbatị ya nkịtị. Ọ nabata convoy wee anakwa achọ ụdị n'ogotere ụmụ anyị akwa ji n'oke na-akwadata ụmụ anyị Bianca ka anyị ga-eso akwụ na line ndị Igbo apụta na-akwụ ya ga-esi ife ji mara ndị be anyị. So nwunye Nnamdi Kanu na-afụta ya kịta as somebody ọ ga-emulate will be also counting. And Nigeria is very, very clever. Nigerian government, they are very, very clever. With the brain of Britain, they are watching. And now after how stupid the groups has to believe. Now they believe. How can they use that against you? To the extent they're no longer doing this. They're not coming out publicly today that we are going to use you to fight you. So my brother, a lot is to say. And this guy called Emeka Gift, for example. Maybe some of you have followed him. Even if you are not following him, you have seen the kind of comments, the kind of things he says when the issue of Samanekpan and autopilot, or even Biafra, who refused to be in the US, he always mock. Anybody goes orange, na Igbo. Immediately to post this Samanekpan people that they have destroyed our land. They have destroyed our land. These 2 months, they are not tagging posts. So like this one, he tagged this one to POTS, I don't know. Ray Donald Trump, Amnesty International, Amnesty Nigeria, HRW, and Tony Gota. I think that is the person that is in charge of the United Nations. He tagged another one to MFA Russia, Elon Musk, Capital official bat, Soludo. No Iwala, that's Ngozi Iwala. This is the problem. You were telling the whole world using your account that the problem is Amonekpa, that he groomed criminals. He's one. Now, the video of people that Amonekpa have been trying his best, struggling under your insult to manage to control this nonsense. Do you know this is actually to cause people? Okay, now before the attack that took place in Ihamo came from this guy called Asadobo. All of them watch Asadobo with rifle on a live video. claiming that he's that Nandi Bukono said that he can chase them out anywhere they are in Nigeria and finish them up. Nobody. The only person that stood up and some of us think that maybe even you that are listening to me now, maybe you think that he said that time that Asaf about Brad that made that video that ended up as just like a method. No, he stepped up the game. His boss was in Hamufu. On them though that's how they call Hamufu. That time and they go on. He's one that recruited those ones from the north. Abia ka ọ gosi na n'ụlọ ekwu that Niger Delta n'ụlọ ekwu na ndị Igbo believe na he just want to test his strength. PM dealt with him. I'm not dịka teach ya lesson ọ na-azụ with his in the minds of ndị isi ana o ji echefu echefu o buru ya n'obi takwara ya n'obi kịtazi sabarikpa na nọzi here ọ mapụtana. The propaganda they are not telling, using Nigerian media to preach now is that people buying people in the East are Easterners. Why? That thing is selling because of people like a mega gift. Remember, they were telling you that Samapa is a problem, right? Now they are not buying you. Samapa is not here. They want to use that thing to cement or solidify that claim that fake information from and the city observer, all the people from the US, they have been preaching. They are now bringing it. There's a video that I posted on my second platform. The Northerners are claiming that they can go now and drink your oil. You know that kind of thing. They often say that when each time they attack. Maybe they felt that Igbos may retaliate because, like I said, Igbos are the only fear they have. No doubt. If you think I'm bragging, go and check your history. And they're doing everything to make sure that the Igbos will not come together. Because if Igbo come together, all got over disastrous.
It's all right. Sorry to interject now. Yeah? You've said a lot. I want to ask you this question now. Let's go. Can we go a little bit part of the spiritual aspect? And what Mazikai report? What do you think that will happen to all these kind of ifulefus and all these traitors and all these on all these people that are trying to causing all these damages in this Biafran struggle? All these Southeast politicians, they don't want us to gain this freedom. What do you think that will happen to them at the end of the day? Maybe spiritually or physically, as them being an opposition in this struggle? Or are we going to continue this suffering forever?
My brother, I am the kind of person that don't believe that everything work, everything must rely on spiritual aspects. Personally, I'm a Christian, but I don't believe that where I'm supposed to stand up, I need to sit down and lie down and wait the God of spirit to come and do the job that I can ordinarily do in a trick of an eye. I don't believe that. I don't believe that God, that this my two hands and my leg should be, I just keep them down while waiting for angels to come and lift any object that beside me for me. I don't believe that. I believe that I need to do my own, what I'm supposed to do as a human being and leave the rest for God. You understand?
Okay.
So the spiritual
Okay.
aspect of the spiritual aspect of it is that pray that God will give you the strength to do what you're supposed to do. Then I don't think that God will just fall down or just descend and start fighting those politicians for you. No, I don't believe that. Go and check what happened to Israel during the time of Holocaust, is it Holocaust or whatever they call that, when they were being fired in every corner in Europe. You know the history, right? Israelis that made them to say, okay, let us go back. It's unfortunate and very sad to say this, but that's my own take. This is my own opinion. I'm not saying that God referred to me. No, this is my own God-given wisdom. That I believe that for our people to reset their brain and their mindset, the tendency of our people going through a lot of pain if something is not done is very, very high. And that is the only thing that will change the minds of the politicians. You cannot just wake up and say, okay, you will be okay, start going to the doors of these people and buying them one after another. It is not possible. But there's something must happen that will shake or change this kind of thing. But it's not something that we can preaching will not change it. If you like, you create awareness from now to thanking.com. They don't care. That's number one. Number two, so just rule out anything creating awareness to convince positions and ban, not possible. Is something must hit force, must hit them before they can change. And that force to do it is all require delicate somehow. In our order, all is very, very so the only people that can do it is ordinary people, like some people who are not in politics. That's the only hope really now. But the painful part of it is that even those that are not in politics, ordinary people, we still have a lot of rotten eggs in our midst. People who don't have anything to any value, but they pretend they are adding value. When you check them, you know that they are poisonous, and that's have been the hindrance. Look at the mega gates, for example. Look at the mega gates. Many of them. I'm looking as one of the examples. Look at him, for example. Let us talk about the mega gates a little bit. Like I said, he is one of the people that are posting a lot of nonsense, lies, propaganda against the person that have been holding Fulani, checking these people. Okay, let me share this story before I go further. Because another thing that happened about the news, this guy, always somebody kidnapped on North Suka in Enugu State. I listened to the guy shared it in Obi-Wan program. Obi-Wan was on a live program. Somebody called him and was sharing, telling him a story of what his friend passed through in Enugu State. Remember, Obi-Wan is from Nsukka, from Enugu State as well. So it's just like his brother. Somebody from his part called him on a live program, and he told him this story. And this story goes this way: a bus driver with his conductor and other passengers, they were moving in that. I think Opinsuka Road, something like that. And those Fulani came out from bush and stopped them. Do you understand? And drove them to bush. As they were going, one of them escaped. Miraculously, he managed to escape. Then he came out. He started telling them. He's the one that shared the story. That as they're in the bush, these Fulani people told them not to shout, don't cry. Listen, even if I get matter the fear of these people all this while. He said, don't shout. That they don't want their voice to be heard in this bush. That there's a group, Simonepa group, that anytime they hear noise in the bush, they will appear there. They will come and they will deal with them. So their fear is Simonepa boys. So now that Simonepa is not here. So after with those guys, because they are working with people who are in the top, they must have shared their fear and their story to them. So they use government to make sure they remove Simonepa, who happen to be that problem. And to remove them, you have to work with people that are from the same region. Do you
So right.
understand?
But Emma, for me to come in now, am I coming out clear? Okay. For me to come in now, Emma, the reason why I'm doing Joga, can you feel in here, all these traitors and all these static governors and all those things, both spiritually and physically. The reason why I'm doing Joga, because this time I find Okitana and Ime and all the too critical. A lot of evil is happening in our place. And the more I find them, the thing announced without talking about the solution, it doesn't make sense to me. You got to go. And the other cost more people self. I want to give go up more. Because some people are giving up. Some people are giving up their hope. Some people are giving up faith. Some people are like kind of they don't want to do this struggle anymore. So more, I'm just thinking about like kind of since the governors cannot defend us, since our politicians cannot defend us, since our chief, some of our chief, our local chairman cannot defend us, and since that some of us that are inside this struggle are also traitors. It was Aketa Nega Funem will get a lot of divisions among us. Then we get a lot of divisions. And it is not helping out. So, and then with those ones that are being chosen, And when they choose for this struggle, I go on, you one of them. The time one and they believe say I be one of them. Ima move for in a kuku that again to move for in a kuku that now you're not a freedom fighter. I dey hear you say you're not a freedom fighter. But if you know to no now, you're worse alone. You are a born freedom fighter. You ought to go on and on blood. On when they finally struggle if I know no when the chineke na choose because they have that passion, with that light, with that truth in them. When they may expose the evils and they are marching forward because this is the kingdom of light against the kingdom of darkness. So more and suggest a kita now. If I pass this bill, if I pass kita now, what is the purpose of this bill if I pass it? I pass this bill now to save millions of our Biafran lives. Because if I pass this bill now, technically, psychologically, in the Nigerian news, buhalea, taking also to go a very strong message to the camps of our enemy. All na people na be at rampage one by hearing that now when we got the right to defend ourselves, or get creative fear in them. How am I gonna base also? You have to go okay, reduce that fear. And then I myself now, it is our duty kita now. Everybody will be the right to keep your Southeast governor, sir, because somehow our number one enemy. Everybody will be that right to keep your hand. It is our duty to be announcing those governors in Agwaha, Kahawane Gente, Kahawe man that nine my hand. Then Kawana Agwaha, Kawana Chakwa Honko, Nasha one Obubu Han through with action on they put on in that land. Time Rugum Bahaga Kosia, because time Rukan by Gibu Pachwakwa. You are not going to keep quiet forever. Because you have in Naka. Because it's time for us to get up. It's time for our youth to get up. It's time for everybody among us and in the Igbo can be together, Igbo Biafrans especially. Anyone wonder Igbo can get up, can take back our land. Because if you don't get up now, they will be killing us small, killing up, destroying all of our youth. Then care for our phone and game also. And more believe about us also forever. Coming back in Agaraga. Then Ndega Foziga was at the end of the day, Hananazia lie. Naraya our resources. Your own their vision shall come out to pass. But it can never come to pass because of this Biafra now of a vision. And of a vision, Chineke na derede only get mecha come more parts to us. So I na kita na mo and I feel that now. Mo and I suggest kita now awareness if I create now the very important to the minds of every Biafrans for them to rise up. To the minds of every Biafrans for them to defend themselves by whatever means flag they defend there. This is a time for us to rise up. And they should not take this bill for granted. One this time now, so all these enemies here, they are going to go down. All these traitors, they are going to go down.
Can't hear going there. Everyone, thank you for your super chat. I really appreciate that. My brother, okay, let me read it. He said, Jessica, my brother, we are watching. Thank you. One thing is, man, like water border now. The danger now, it is very deadly now than 1967. Like 1967, in fact, we don't have any problem then than what we have now. That's one of the mistakes that all of us don't even check that side at all. Because it's all about political, freedom. But now it is survival for your life. Nobody is planning to take Igbo land then. But now, politically, we are not there. Now, our own ancestral home is at stake. Our religion, our way of life is at stake. You don't face that kind of challenges in 1967. You want to go to the point now. So anybody is now saying like if people you can go take you can go they give up and all that. All is very funny. It simply means that they don't even know the threat that is ahead of you. People don't understand it until you hit again or somebody is very close to you or fogging out yourself. 1967 was all about political movement, like we want to have our own region, we want to control as a government only. That's the only thing. But now we have accepted that we don't want to be president. Yet our land is being the Hana price our land. Hana price our religion. Now okay, now maka Sharia law. What are they put Sharia law in 1967? Now they're talking about Sharia law. Now they're talking about land grabbing from Ruga. Until now. So if not in some people are saying the Biafran war has ended, like in Gapi to be each time I know how to be good Biafra is dead for this one. Let's say the man I tell them can actually make me, but I don't know how to it can happen, no can happen again. Actually make much about it. Unity some people are how can forget this threat. They want to pretend. I don't know if they think that maybe once they when they wake up tomorrow, they will the Fulani will change their mind. But what country survive with that kind of mentality? Will be a country survive. Even if your land is peaceful today, you must always show strength. Otherwise, people will agana egbu aka na foundation iji wee kwụrụ mama ị ga-ada ka ị dapụ ka anara get the place. Many countries of this world, okay, like America, all the country, they fought. If you refuse to fight, your land they will take your land to people who are willing to fight. To survive in this world is all about fighting. Ime here, you're your own. And fighting about to defend yourself. We are not preaching war. I'm not here to preach any war. But I'm telling you the threat that everybody can see that's coming. I'm not here. I'm not saying people should go and fight and kill anybody. No, no, no. I'm not in support of that. Terrorism and violence, we are not in support of it. What I'm saying is that you need to understand that your life is at stake, your land is at stake, your religion is at stake. 1967, you had only one problem, only thing, like political movement only, like to govern yourself, to build your country, nothing more. Nobody is coming to take your farmland. It's a lie. Nobody faced that kind of challenges then. But because you have accepted political defeat, they have defeated our people politically. Therefore, they want also to take another thing. Just like somebody na about why. Can I be your friend first? Before can I be your friend? Can you come to my place? Do you like my life? You know that kind of thing. You have to start from somewhere. Once you made the first offer accept, to ask another second offer is available. So we have accepted the first offer. That politically we have nothing to offer. And we gave up. Then there's okay. Okay, then this one has been concluded. Okay, we're now moving to your land. So that was why they say Ruga. You said okay, our people. You said no. Because they believe that persistence is the key. They keep on pushing until your hand will tired. You fall off. I don't want to miss this mega gift post. Let me read it before we move forward. Most of you have seen the video of the young man they fired in Imo State that they dragged the person, tied him on his machine. I believe you have seen the video. I can't show it here. I'm sorry. He said, in that video, he posted it with this caption. He said, a very gory, disturbing video of Nigerian security agent, no more Samanapa Nigerian security agent, no more Samanapa boys, no more criminals in our land, no more insecurity, no more. He barely talk about it at home anymore. Now he say human rights violations. The videos are trending on social media with condemnation from every angle. This happened in Imo State. The governor of the state, according to reliable information, contracted as of one militant who perpetrated this human rights violation. Gory video emerged on how they blow up the brain of unarmed civilians who they suspected to support the self-definition of indigenous people of Biafra. He did not put anything in Samanapa anymore. This is what Jewish people was going through. The same thing. At the beginning, early stage, some of the Jewish people were mocking the fellow Jews, talking down on them, exposing them, calling them names until the pain of their people get too much. So they said that anybody that need human body or you want to see maybe in your comfort zone, you want to know how human kidney looks like, you call a Jewish person and slaughter and see it. Until they were forced to. Because they are feeling that they started feeling it already. That look, if you continue this way, it will get to us. That was why I said initially that those politicians, the only thing that will change their mind is that kind of genocide, and nobody will pray for that. We still have slim chance to redeem ourselves by people like this Oginkir and the rest of them to understand that this is not time to play that dirty politics. Like you want to what? I want my name to be heard. I want to be famous. I want this is a fight for survival. I mean, not only your lineage. It's a fight for survival. If you keep on pretending nothing and pretending, they will slaughter you even while you are sleeping on your bed. And some of our people that are those ones that claim that they're armed robbers, they are claiming, don't even know that the real armed robbers are in your bush waiting for you. You cannot go get go on a road in Asnachika. After robbing your brothers, the real people that are coming to take the entire everything, they are very close to you. I cannot call somebody by the oh Mazi. No, I don't agree. I don't not accept. They must go through me. I am the one that's sending money in Nigeria. Why must you abandon me? Now call you.
One funny thing. One funny thing about this thing now. Oh, thank God we are making progress. And I thank God that now Igbos are listening to you and they are hearing the wise words that is coming out of your mouth. And the message is going viral. One funny thing about this our youth now. Oh, these people now make occupy, these invaders, they make occupy our bushes, some of our bushes. All those kidnappers. You have to go. There. Then our youth be very busy, they celebrate in the street, they celebrate in the street. Whereas the kidnappers no ni more here, the invaders no ni more here. Na pare. Then and the invaders all these invaders abia, ha say ni more here any pota. They kidnap some of us. Kidnap papa ha ni more here. Gana sisi ha ego ha. Bunda gegbu, may harvest their kidneys and all those things. Whereas some others in the street they celebrate. Why na opportunity and ezu n'ozi ọma ọnwụ iwu onye youth na-ege anyị ntị n'olu n'abalị a all over the world. Begin now to call your villagers, begin now to call your village people, your communities, pass around this information now. Gwa ha time erugo mgbe ha ga-abido na-akọmbuwe their bushes. All the whole youths, unu echekwana governor, unu echekwana any army, unu echekwana any local government chairman. They are not there to gonna help you. Nobody's gonna help you. Ọgụ gị aka gị nyere onwe gị aka. Biafran gọọmenti na-agbalịkwa otu ha nwere ike ịgbalị ịghọtago a na-agbalịkwa ile anya nkịta na Samonekpa nọzi around, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nọzi around na nwanne anyịnwa ka ha na-ede, and that is the reason why ha ji wee kidnap onya me ha ji wee mee ha arrest. They were looking for us. Ọ bụrụ ha nwa ka a na-achọ. They were targeting us. And Maazị Nnamdi Kanu gwara anyị agwa, Samonekpa gwakwara anyị agwa na ọ bụrụ anyịnwa onye nwa ka a na-achụ, na anyịnwa yanwa ka a na-ede, anyịnwa ka a na-ede. But ha chiri iwepụ ya out of the way so that they will get us. Nwanne okomewogo anyị n'ihu now. Ọ na-emezi anyị n'ihu now. They are now clearing us. So time erugo mgbe unu ga-ebido na akpọwa village unu. Like today, yesterday, ana m akpọgo my village people. Gwa ha lekwekwe agwọ nọkwa n'akịrịka. Na Awụsa batakwa n'ọka. Our youth need to rise up. Get now, combo your villages, combo their bushes. Even you come them. Uru in the night, when they choose by another youth. How I guide your communities in the night. And they may this thing now. I want when I get reduced with that killing. I want I get reduced with that crime. I want I get reduced with that kidnapping and in our home now. I want I get save a lot of life. So that is the information I talk on water.
Thank you so much, everyone. You said, please, easy defending yourself is not war. I think you mean self-defense. It's not war. And mind you, that we are already being bite like chicken now. Some of us are aware of it. Many of us are aware. Like I just want to add on to what you just said about encouraging you to comb the villages and bushes. Aka niile alara o nwee ndị ji ego a na-ekwu okwu ya, every village wee aka ji wee ndị nwe obodo ewe. So ndị nwe obodo bụ ndị aka ji akụ. Ọ bụrụ na be ebe na village gị mebi na ị ga-egotewu ofu catapult ihe ndị village, you can give it to them. Even ọ bụkwara dịkwago ị ga-agakwu gọvanọ ga weta license na gọọmenti avoid ashịrị ka abụ na ka abụ isi na ka license ga wetie the license ị na-aghọta, weta the license just ya bụ that na ọ bụghị egbe eji aga izu oshi ị na-aghọta, ị gwata anyị n'oche mmadụ na you na-adị na ya but just to protect life and properties, nothing more. to avoid this kind of problem. Because if you keep on, I go away kind of look many of you can afford it in water than you waste life. Because so you go life for every almost I got that attack we keep going you. If you need to get bury yourself, those will make you go to that thing to say this. Or come money email. Ego is meant to spend. So avoid those an account on a matching account to this also. Each go life on money. Or what if you take both the machine yourself gonna wear a on because if in maybe if in a protect life, you are like that's the thing I can say about that one. Then the issue of what PM said, like our brother, repeated it here, is that PM said that it's not about him, it's about you people, it's about all of us, it's about everybody. It is true. Then, to me, I am surprised to see that those who happen to be very close to PM, they will open space. All you can hear, Madam must bow. They told you to fall back, fall in. How many times did the Fulani fall back while they're trying to come to your land? And you were playing politics at a wrong time. At a wrong time. Also, when happen, I also going to see you as a kid na 190 years. Not that I was also. Not that water. But she's willing to command. I'm not supporting her. You know what are the points? I show more politics. And notice that politics and lie from what you are saying. I come no you may not understand what I'm saying as a APM lover because always now we can if you buy a for $1 before you want to make money. No, we go to see how much I know you can is another Ghana you I go to light or I go to my change and the army need all those things. Or when I actually now but zaman keke therefore okay must be the person which you get there. Anybody that is going to lead you at this critical time, if the person make mistake, you pay with your life. Why? The people that are coming to buy you, it depends on how you protect yourself. Otherwise, they're going to run you over. That's why you need to make a wise decision, whoever they're going to choose. But if you want to play politics, good. Just like somebody now has diabetes, I work on that stage is high. Get very careful. Is it okay? You know, I got blue sugar, you sugar, now we enough. Oh, go back, I got rush on the doctor. Ịghọtago? So ka anyị dị very very careful about it. Ọ bụghị na ihe abụghị ọgụ otigboro onweghị everyone ya ihe a bụ for everybody and so na-akparawa. Let me talk about so na-akparawa a little bit. And one thing I notice about our people is that once somebody like Sana Brawana don't have any issue, their village is not all that a threat yet. It's a threat, but it's not as threat as Imo and Anambra Enugu. Why? Because this caused Igbo speaking states at this point in time are the heart of the problem of Fulani. Remove Anambra, remove Enugu, remove Ebonyi, remove Imo, remove Abia, these 5 states, for example. My dear, for Fulani to take Eastern region, it's not 3 days. How can Kasari na Ibugaria for O state in another affair? Asawana maka onye na-arara ụla, ọ bụ maka bọmbụ. Ọ bụ mmadụ tinara na-arara ịbịa mee gara gara. Ọ bụ ha mere isi dị ike na ọ na mmadụ mụọ ya ịmụrụ ya bịakwute the person. Ọ ya bụ na isi dị ike. And ọ bụghịkwa na ị na-aga n'ebe ndị mechiri ndị na-afụ ụzọ no. Ị na-aga eme itu ụmụ nwaanyị na ụmụaka na-agbara mmiri ndị na-aga n'ụzọ ikwuru n'ụzọ with AK na-etret na ịgba akpa. You start walking majestically. You know, but you just at all. You cross at all, and I'm just making it. No, do you know me? Our men today. Never more, no, who must never ball. Men today. You know, much. No. If people that different vision have faced, for example, if can answer the boss people face them, even can they stand at all? If in Biafra Liberation Army under PM ka m na-ekwu ka ọ bụkwa nke mụnwa ife na-ememe na under PM what they faced Chineke mere mmadụ they have not used that strength on Boko Haram. They have not used the strength they are using on these people because they have you seen or in any news that Nigerian Air Force strike Boko Haram base for real ọ bụkwa nke na-eme nke fake for ka ndị mmadụ gara lasa na ya n'eziokwu ife chụpụ one man ọkwa ihe jiri ka oge ihe jiri ka bụ chief of defense staff of Nigeria. One of the problems that made them to remove him because no the airstrike at least ndị Boko Haram was ndị North ba sị gịnị na attack on them attack on the North. Ị na-aghọta the point ma na-eji that airstrike wee na-eso Biafra Liberation Army kemgbe ha na-ewithstand ya if you go the difference now so ihe a bụ something like everybody need to come together and understand this. Forget about don't allow Mr. A to use his personal interest to twist your brain and your mind in the name of why must instead of you to calm down and think for your future. Or if you can analyze go on goes on the right, okay, get the right, can't get the right. Borrow this thing open no big you. Remove it. Look for the real option. If you keep on after program, you rush to platform, their platform, you listen. You go to CS platform, then I didn't get you next step back. Not one can serious na media. Not okay, not that one or can media. If I believe you can email without paying attention to the real message. Ekutoku na ndefla ni menka. Hi, ewo, ina ibati nkete. Case when you use the person, imaho. Ka ndị Biafra si wee pen ndị Biafra na-agabiga ebe a ka o end you don't care about it until it happen to you. This fuel tanker na-agbacha ọkụ ọ bụ ka esi anụ kepke mere nke me na not na-anụ to tell you not that is deliberate because what if ndị na-adị use na fa na-anụ ọgụ ha na-anụ terror war what if ha na-adị use they can use anything. If you go, so all the very dangerous. Our people need to wake up and avoid gossip. If you change it and never make yourself, I was not calling. Okay, know somebody like a Betty at her age. Come join program on that one. Now they born a good that na based on it na Calabar. I have not seen anywhere they buy anybody there. Sunni people are very relaxed. If Sunni love Biafra so much and Igbo goes to claim their love, you would have advised careful with this 1 year worker and about Nsima. Nsima is non-Calabar Reno mockery. And they follow the Igbo as a shithole. And not bad Igbo for nothing. It's not good. But he's here claiming that he care about your life. After they buy people. What ndị Igbo gịnị mere ụlọ ife a pụtara na-eme n'oge esi eme ya how many times have you seen group from Sonakbara West region gather together to broadcast even to preach about Biafra? I'm not saying they should bring money. They don't do that. Ikwu ekita asị gị na ị na-ebute division ka ị ka ebute division owe iwu ife iche ore ewu iche my brother please just it seems like you are busy. Let me continue. So that is it. Let me play this for you people to hear. Okay. This is something a Yoruba man. The guy, he said something before against PM in the past. Okay. That I have one day that Nakaka PM. Look at him. Look at this guy. You cannot imagine what is coming out from his mouth. Let me see. Okay, so what this guy is saying here is he's trying to be funny with making mockery of Igbo people. Look at the write up here. I don't know if the camera can capture it properly, but let me just see if I can read it. He said, breaking how British and Ajay Crowder created the IBO language, that's the Igbo language. What this guy is trying to say here is that Igbos are nothing to him. As you can see his red color, working at a breaching cream. He's busy mocking Igbo. Okay, mocking Igbo. The message I want to pass, why I decided to play it at all, is for you to see that nobody loves you as an Igbo person. And it's not because you are a bad person. It's not because you are bad. It's not because you commit crime, but it's because of who you are. And the easiest way for them to make themselves happy is to talk to reduce your value. To them, once they reduce your value, you amount to nothing. And that's what they want to achieve. You see your fellow Igbo speaking brother yapping nonsense against you. Like I said, our people messed up because even today, bearing if you have a sibling or your relative or your brother, whatever the person may be, that lives in the north on the Yoruba land, bearing children there, you have a lot of work to do. You have a lot of work to do because those children will be like these people that we are facing today. God forbid. I'm not praying against. I'm not praying for that it will be like that. But upon it, you don't know where you come from. You don't know anything. Your own is just that they say Easterners. Imagine it will be a very big problem. You have a very big problem. Yorubas don't travel out because they want to maintain their heritage and their custom, their norms. Hausa the same thing. Only Igbo. And you see our elderly people bragging that Igbos are the one who holding this nation. It is a taboo. Most of the if I name today. You can't see a real Igbo youth, vibrant Igbo person that can appreciate or be proud of where he come from. It's only, you forget about it. In a self, I cannot the same Igbo person, and I'm married to discredit you. Oh, one guy MC Monica. The guy is upcoming, is a rising star comedy industry in Nigeria. Do you understand? MC Monica. I was watching his video. There's something he said that I was like, we have a very big problem. Or now I'm sit at home. That the Igbo people are very hypocritical. That they say that they want to sit at home, but hotel they fool. What do you want them to do? So it's a problem to enjoy life on Monday. Do you understand it? Opo Igbo, one Anambra State. But that thing is kind of giving other ethnic nationality reasons why stay at home is irrelevant. As an Igbo person, that because to him, why he used that kind of statement is because he's making money with the Nigerian audience, Nigerian space, Oti show na Kano, everybody will be there. Non-Igbos will be there. So he don't want to tamper his customers. And the best way to please his customers, he have to talk down on his Igbo people. But other tribes don't do that because they know their value system, they know where they come from. They always pay attention to the problem of their people first before their own. Look at this guy. Only kind of one UK. Man, his own problem upon all the information that he can pass on social media. But he just wants to emphasize on Igbo You want to emphasize on Igbo language. How Ajayi crowd or whatever he called himself invented the Igbo language. Can you imagine that? Then can you or a British people speak that Igbo? With the alphabet, maybe this suggests something. Does not mean that you own the people. I don't know the history behind Ajayi Crowther or whatever. But Yoruba people, they always see Igbo people as their toilet tissue, because our children, we have a lot of matured men today that grew up in their land. Every Christmas they go on a motor east. I was at Christmas first week of January, back to Lagos, school Lagos, church Lagos, anything Lagos. Another thing Abuja. East, what if any man is but east is the dry, not the dry. People from Ijebu, go and live. How many of you live in Ijebu? Ijebu people live in their land. It is you that will make your place to be habitable the way you want it. Ị na-agwa ndị be anyị na-akọ iri ekwe ma ndị Kalaba nkịta na-amazịkwa anyị na-ekwe so na-agbara wa and Nsima ana chọọchị iri na-afụ Chiamaka John kwa anyị na-akọ iri ya Igbo people call typical Igbo man ebe ọ na-eme ka ọmụgwọ ya amị My brother, we have spent 1 hour that we will map out for the program, so let us just round up because I know a lot is to be discussed, but I have to appreciate you for giving me this opportunity so that we can have this program together. It's always good to share idea with you. I really appreciate that. I'm very my spirit that gonna trouble, to be honest with you. Anyway, just conclude. Let us end it here. Thank you.
Okay. One, thank you so much. Ima, I love to hear you when you speak. I like to listen more because probably maybe I don't know analyze some certain things. I got deep, and I believe Biafrans all over the world they are listening. And I'm nanti hade, nanti hatoronala. Yotago. Ilanga kita na yaga for almost 135. They are here live watching. Iko Tionya, I greet you. Annie Nature, I greet you. And Triple Josh, I greet you. A lot of people are here watching, listening to your revelation. And I believe Hamotago a lot of things tonight. The most important thing how we are going to defend and protect ourselves in Igbo land. All the very, very important now. Bill has been passed. But if I pass the bill like now, on our black power village here, power your youth, educate them. On our black go. Only if you're a millionaire in Igbo land, this is the time for you to bring out that your money. Ega hengeji we ga kwọ kidnappers n'ime ọhịa ma kidnap ọgụ. Yotago, wepụta ego ahụ were sponsor Biafran government. And not only you're going to use it to sponsor Biafran government, wepụtakwa ego ahụ were go arms and were ke youth. Biafran government na-enyego onye ọbụla license kịta na enyogo anyị the empowerment for us to arm ourselves. Pass as a bill. Any Nigerian police or Nigerian army can akpagharị na Biafran land kịta now. Ha nọ there illegally. How is supposing that Paris in our country now? How is supposing that Paris in Biafra land? So whenever you see them and they are your enemies. Who know this was it there, huh?
Sorry about that. I want to play. I have just found the video of T.Y. Danjuma. Let me see so people will hear. Okay. Some of us are whatever.
Various ethnic groups living.
No, just listen. Let me drag it. Let me drag it a bit so it will start from the beginning. Listen to this. It's about 2 minutes, some seconds.
Taraba is a mini state. It's a mini Nigeria composed of various ethnic groups living together reasonably peacefully. But the peace in this state is under assault. There's an attempt at ethnic cleansing in this state, and of course in all the riverine states of Nigeria.
Okay.
We must resist it. We must stop it.
Okay.
Every one of us must rise up. The armed forces are not neutral.
Okay.
They collude. They collude. They collude with the armed bandits
Okay.
that kill people, kill Nigerians. They facilitate their movements. They cover them. If you are depending on the armed forces to stop the killings, you will all die one by one. The ethnic cleansing in Taraba State must stop in all the states of Nigeria. Otherwise, Somalia will be a child's play. I ask every one of you to be alert and defend your country, defend your territory, defend your state. You have nowhere else to go. You have nowhere else to go. God bless our country.
So that is it. Ima, what the just now from if we just formulate a story now, from EY Danjuma. Yeah, this video, let Kamalo Genda published there here. 6 years ago, my people. 6 years ago. Okay, now what now? Now Taraba State, Taraba State, I think, Taraba. Now, the same thing, what go can amen at the other this northeast and northwest, riverline area and all that. Then, Ketanan, none of them, none of them were talking about. They don't talk about what is it called? Area in the southwest, but they have moved from away from normal hit and run. They are now coming out openly to tell you. You understand? The what they want. What is between what he said here with what the man said? The man said that Somalia will be better than Nigeria. I think there's a broadcast of Masan that where he says something like that. This man also repeated the same thing. Oh, the matter that yeah, this thing about anyway, my people, thank you. Okay, have
So in conclusion, because today, before let me conclude what I'm saying. In conclusion, before interjected, Yotago, Danjuma go nke ya. Yeah, we opened for years ago for us to defend ourselves. And we have also heard from our brother and the necessity, INWG, we help ourselves. This bill is kita now. I can in conclusion. I pass go this bill. Only him just throw down. Yotago. We must be in spirit. You must be in spirit for you to be able to lead Biafrans. Honorable Funano in spirit cannot lead Biafrans. Honorable Gebruya Nobi. Mazenan Kalu was in spirit. He was able to lead us well. Mazi Samanekba was in spirit and he was able to lead us well. Kita na onye the month no naka kita na Odoto Ngozi Arabeze. And this woman was in spirit before I pass all this bill for pass now. And this is the right time for this bill. Yotago. The word every Biafra must be ready to carry arms was a spiritual statement. If we carry arms, always spiritual statement. Over carry that physical arms. I want to suppose the spiritual arms within our heart and our spirit. Yotago. And this is the right time for it. And the time is now. It's time for us to defend ourselves, to protect ourselves, and to defend our land to God's own glory. Where am I? That's my submission tonight. I yield my mic. Thank you so much, Kai.
Thank you so much. So much. And in addition to what he says, the arm is not not for you to commit crime. Okay, so let us state that very, very clear. Self-defense, not to go and rob people, not to go and kidnap, not to go and commit crime. So it's very, very important because I don't want anybody to cut this video and say, oh, you say you people should go and carry arm. No. Or you're not saying you should carry arm and start facing Nigerian police or Nigerian army. Okay, that's not what we're saying. We're talking about kidnappers and criminalities, bandits, terrorists, and all that. Don't do that. That's all I can have to say. So, I in nature, God bless you for your super chat. He said, thanks to Kai report and our brother, Biafran, I appreciate you too. Thank you so much for that, and God bless you. God bless you immensely. So, my people, we have come to an end of this live stream. We'll be coming here every Wednesday, two of us, and every Tuesday we'll be on his own platform. And I have the platform, his platform on my. In case you are looking for the link, I will post it again after this broadcast. I'll post it again so that from some of you that have not joined him on his platform, please do. Very, very important so that we will need subscribers there as well. So before you go like the video and subscribe to the channel, God bless you and see you again. Bye bye.